Welcome to the month of July here at Lichtsinn RV, where we're only 1 mile north of the Winnebago Factory based right here in Forest City, Iowa. This is such an exciting month as we now will receive later this week the first 2021 Winnebago Revel, our 4x4 Class B camper van on the Mercedes-Benz VS30 chassis with some great new enhancements for 2021, including 3,200 watts of standard Xantrex smart lithium ion batteries that will then feed the inverter for whole coach 30 amp operation directly off of those batteries, including running your air conditioner and your induction cooktop. Be sure to stay tuned for our Lichtsinn RV Live experience, where we'll debut the all-new 2021. We'll have our complete walkthrough video, and be sure to check with your factory trained consultant here at Lichtsinn RV, where we've already pre-sold over 70 2021 Winnebago Revels to find out pricing and availability on the all-new factory fresh lithium powered 2021 Winnebago Revel here at Lichtsinn RV.
Save big on our summer RV sale on the Winnebago Forza 38F and the Winnebago Vista 29VE. We're seeing in the Winnebago Forza 38F a bath-and-a-half floor plan, accessibly priced for families and couples wanting to step into that diesel pusher lifestyle. It's finely appointed with luxurious items such as a residential refrigerator, Corian countertops, walk-around king bed, ultra leather fabrics, and Versa cab swivel seats. Let's go check out the Vista 29VE. All right, and here we are in front of our Winnebago Vista 29VE. This model features a full wall slide, walk around queen bed, sofa, as well as dinette. But really exciting is the exterior tailgate center. So you've got a refrigerator to keep your beverages cold. You have the sink, lots of storage, including a utensil tray, cutting board. You also have the exterior television in a gray awning, which is going to cover the majority of the coach. Make sure to give your Lichtsinn RV sales consultant a call today to discuss our summer RV sale.
Hi everyone, Jason here at Lichtsinn RV in Forest City, Iowa. As campgrounds, state parks, and national parks begin to open, the RV industry is seeing a large boom in new RVers joining this lifestyle, and often in products from Winnebago such as the fuel-efficient Class C B camper vans and compact coach lineup, including the Travato, the Revel, Solus, View, and Mini Winnie products. Make sure to contact one of our Lichtsinn RV sales consultants to check on availability.
Hi, I'm Cody Leike, RV sales consultant with Lichtsinn RV. I want to talk to you about how easy it is to schedule a live video appointment with one of our sales consultants here at the dealership. We'll send you an email with a link. You simply click on that link and it will open up a live video feed directly with you and the sales consultant. On these live videos, we can talk through condition of pre-owned coaches. We can take measurements for you, like the size of the cooktop, the sink, the depth of the cabinets, perhaps how big of an area that you have in the restroom, really anything that you're looking to dig into a little deeper, in addition to our great videos that you'll obviously find on our website. So again, reach out to us today and schedule your live video appointment with a Lichtsinn RV sales consultant.
That's all for this month's newsletter. Remember to call, chat, or email us with any questions you may have. We're here to help you with any of your parts, service, or sales needs.